Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is this is a quick tutorial showing you how I make my flaxseed gel. I just used 3 cups of water and 1/3 cup of flaxseed gel, which I poured into the water and brought to a boil. I'm using flax seeds from Natural Nigerian. I don't know if she still retails it. If she does, I'll leave a link below in the description box so you can purchase yours. Flaxseed gel is really easy to make. All you have to do is pour it into a pot of water, bring it to a boil, and once it thickens to your consistency, the flaxseed gel is ready, which is just what I'm doing right here. Flaxseed are said to be rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and it's really very healthy and nutritious for your overall diet. Although I've never incorporated this into my diet, I basically just use it for my hair. Flaxseed gel can be used for twist outs, for braid outs, and also for roller sets. You can also use it as a detangler or as a leave-in conditioner for your hair. When you use this as a detangler or leave-in conditioner, it leaves your hair really feeling soft, as in cloud soft. The difference is always really very clear. So once my flaxseed gel is ready, I'm going to bring it down, let it cool off a bit, and then I'm just going to strain it in a stocking cap. I made my flaxseed gel to be really runny because I didn't want it to be slimy. When it's too slimy, because I'm going to be using it for a roller set, if it's too slimy, it will make my hair flaky, which is why I made it light and very runny. If you are going to be using it as a detangler, then you can make it really thick, like okra thick, kind of slimy, so that it really gets the job done. So yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial. Please note that I let the flaxseed cool off before putting into the stocking cap and straining it. If you would love to see the results of my roller set using the flaxseed, then please subscribe to my channel, as I will be uploading another video showing just how I use it on my hair for roller set. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.